No! We already went this way.
No.
Yeah, we already went this way. We just went this way. We already went this way and then went like that.
I think this goes back to a circle.
Callie!
This is a really hard maze.
I think this one.
Okay.
Not this way. Snyders Family Farm. Like and subscribe.
I'm finally free. You can't cage a corn bandit.
Well, doggone, you plant it in the spring and you eat it in the fall. Put it in the pot, you better make it soon before it gets by the big raccoon. Hey, no, let me in here.
There's just some rabbits over there. Look at that rabbit.
Walking until we get out.
Following that.
Is there an exit?
and subscribe.
3.
Snyders Family Farm. Dang it!
Try again.
That might be the blooper.